everything is done. Lunch is not ready, so I'm glad that the person who helps my grandma do the cooking is around. So she had left, but she's back, so she's doing the cooking. So I just continued with my cleaning and I'm done. So I hope the lunch is ready, but if it's not ready, I'll just wait. I'm going to sit outside in a shed, and then when we're done with lunch, I've seen the sink, the dining sink. I've seen a little bit dirt. It's not clean, so I might end up cleaning that one. I'm also thinking of washing my clothes. It's sunny, so it's gonna rain in a few minutes. Like when it gets to around 3 or 4, I'm pretty sure that's going to rain. So yeah, so at least I'm done. You can see my face is so oily. Yeah, it was hell of a day, but I think I'm done with the cleaning. I'm glad that I'm done. So let's go and see if lunch is ready. We go have lunch. Maybe I'll see you later when I'm doing supper. Who knows? Yeah. So this is the sink. You can see the place is really dirty. I've not put the light on. But this is the sink. I'm going to wash it. I'll just put the basin, but you can see it's really dirty. So I'll just show you when I'm done cleaning. I'm not going to do the entire video, but this is what I'm going to clean. I started scrubbing here, but this is how it looks like. So I'll just show you the final video. I won't show you when recording. So that's the sink actually. For the I'm supposed to scrub that. I just washed with the kitamba, but I need to scrub it. So I haven't gotten something to scrub, but that's how it is compared to how it was looking. It looks better. Let me move this far end. Yeah, that looks better. You can see compared to how it was looking, but I need to scrub with like something rough so that it can be a little bit better, but this is better than it was. I've washed the walls a bit, so that's how it looks like. So far so good. At least it looks better. Yeah, so it's lunchtime. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording, so I've just served myself. Let me show you what we're having. So we're having rice. I actually recorded. I think I didn't record. I just started talking. So we're just having rice and tengu. This is the rice, the tengu, and as Luyas we have tea here. Lunchtime, morning, all the time. A cup for me, but I'm not going to have tea. So I'm just going to have this. People are not at the table, as you can see. My grandma is in the bedroom eating from the bedroom. My dad is eating from the outside, so I'm going to look for a place to eat. I'm seated just right direct to the door. You can see I'm sweating, guys. It's so hot, I don't want to go eat outside. So I'm just seated right. The door is just at the far end, so at least I can feel some breeze as I'm eating. You can see it's so hot, and within like 2 or 1 hour it will be raining cats and dogs. You can imagine. Guess what, guys? I ended up serving myself tea. I told you guys I wasn't going to serve myself tea because it's really hot. Let me show you. I served myself tea. It's hot. The lawyer in me could not resist. So tea. For those who are watching from different countries, in Kenya we have a part, Western Kenya, where we like tea. Like tea is everything, morning, evening, all the time is tea time. So I told myself that I'm not going to serve myself tea, but yeah, it is. And you can see my face is oily, I'm sweating, but who cares? We keep the tradition. So I am in the kitchen. That's the fridge, the sound you're hearing. So I had started cleaning the fridge. So let me show you. So I've cleaned actually this side. I'm supposed to clean the microwave. The way this thing has been placed, I don't want to remove it. So I'm just cleaning. it was that I think I started wiping before you guys saw this side. So this part ukuju. So I'm not going to move anything around. Is that dirt there? You can't see, it's dark. Let me see. Still dark, but I'll just clean. Body splash on the curtains and this stuff here, so I'll show you so that at least it can smell nice. I don't have any other thing to spray, so I opted for this body splash and actually sell this body splash. So if you're interested, you can just DM me on my Instagram page. I'll put a link here. So I'm going to spray this on the curtains and on the this thing here. Let me show you. So I'm gonna spray on the curtain just a bit. And then I'm gonna spray some here. So and then maybe down here and this here. At least the room can smell nice. Yeah. I don't know if I should spray a bit just here on the duvet. Like that. I think that will be better because it's been a while since people used this room, so I just want it to be as fresh as possible. And this is for the body splash. This is vanilla. Focus. No, it's not focusing. There it is. So this is black vanilla body splash. I do sell this type of body splash. So if you're interested, please holler at me on my Instagram page. I'll be able to get you some. And I think I can smell the freshness. The room smells really nice. That's my bed. I sprayed it. Yeah, it's much better than it was. I'm supposed to have been washing my hands. I think I hurt myself yesterday. So I'm in the bathroom. I'm supposed to wash the bathroom. I don't think I'll do a lot of scrubbing. It needs a lot. But I'll just wash the sink and a bit of the walls. I'm gonna show you how the wall looks like. But the sink is really bad. So that's the sink. It's really dirty. think this looks better. This is not coming off. So there are some stains that are not coming off, and you do not have something to use. So I think it looks better than it was before. So we are done with that. And then the other side, that's how the wall looks like. I did scrub. That's too much lighting, but you can see I showed you this. Let me adjust the lighting. So I think I showed you this, and it was not really clean. It's actually cream. So I washed it. It looks much better. Guys, I did a lot today, but yeah, maybe next time we clean it will be much better. But that's the much I did. The wall doesn't look bad. It was really bad, but now it looks better. Down here, I don't know if you guys can see, I scrubbed the floor, but it also doesn't look good, but it should look good next time we do some scrubbing. Yeah. So today lunch we're having rice. This rice is the one we had the other day, previous day, but it remained. And then we have matoke. So everyone has served themselves. I haven't, so I'm going to serve myself. So I'm gonna have matoke and rice. I'm not going to put a lot. That is enough.